gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
This is the upcoming Vivo X Fold 6. And honestly, the first thing that caught my attention was its premium-looking eyebrow color design. It immediately gives off a flagship vibe. The smooth, rounded edges and slim profile also make the device feel incredibly comfortable to hold. But beyond the design, what really impressed me is Vivo's approach to large-screen productivity. A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content. The all-new Atomic Workbench completely changed the way I look at multitasking on a foldable phone. I never expected managing multiple apps on a foldable display to feel this intuitive. The system offers two different modes, serial mode and parallel mode, each delivering a unique multitasking experience. In serial mode, up to 5 tasks can coexist on a single screen, with multiple apps visible at the same time without getting in each other's way. It's ideal when you need to keep important content in view while quickly jumping into other apps for reference or support. Even better, when the phone is rotated into landscape orientation, the interface automatically reorganizes itself, showing just how much attention has been paid to the user experience. Switching between the two modes is effortless. Simply folding the device transforms serial mode into parallel mode, allowing seamless movement between 5-window and 4-window layouts. In parallel mode, 4 apps remain open simultaneously, so there's no need to constantly close and reopen pages. Everything feels smooth and efficient. I can join a meeting, keep my notes open, manage documents, and chat on WeChat all at the same time. Whether it's taking notes, searching for information, or even exchanging a few complaints about the boss with coworkers, everything can happen on one display without interruption. The flexibility continues beyond office work. I can browse Xiaohongshu for inspiration, edit photos, and select images from my gallery simultaneously, all within the same workspace. The split-screen windows also support dynamic resizing, making multitasking even more convenient. A simple tap lets you rotate windows or swap their positions. Swiping upward with 3 fingers on the folded display instantly adjusts the layout, while a 4-finger pinch gesture quickly changes focus modes. The result is a perfect balance between immersive large-screen productivity and fast access to other applications. What's even smarter is that the system learns your habits. Frequently used app combinations are automatically saved, allowing you to reopen your favorite workspaces instantly whenever you need them. The AI-powered cross-window drag and drop feature is another standout. For example, dragging a selected table or image automatically converts it into an editable spreadsheet, while dragging a business card instantly creates a new contact. These intelligent features significantly improve efficiency when handling everyday work information. The AI meeting assistant is equally impressive. It can automatically transcribe conversations based on different speakers, summarize key discussion points, and generate neatly organized meeting notes afterwards. Reviewing meeting content becomes much easier, and the system is capable of accurately recognizing professional terminology, while also providing multiple translation options. Another highlight is the industry-first AI document manager, designed to tackle document clutter once and for all. Files with confusing or messy names can be intelligently renamed by AI. It also generates summaries automatically and can condense related materials into concise one-line descriptions. To make things even more convenient, a dedicated document widget can be placed directly on the home screen for quick access whenever needed. Overall, the combination of innovative multitasking capabilities and a full suite of AI-powered productivity tools takes foldable smartphone efficiency to an entirely new level. Once you experience this new OS and its workflow enhancements, it's hard to imagine going back to a traditional setup.